I know one day I won't have to wait in line. I know one day I'ma get those keys to that new ride. I know one day I'll be fine, and I know one day I'll get mine. And I know one day, hell, it might be Monday. I remember feeling trapped and know I couldn't get out. And when they laid my mama off, no, it just didn't amount. I still remember how she looked when she walked into the house, but still she tried her best to show me what was Christmas about. And if we wanted hot water, we had to microwave it. And every day the power cut off, but we tolerated. The thoughts of all the beats are lost cause I forgot to save them. I'm screaming at me in the mirror like I gotta make it. My teacher trying to get through to me cause of my behavior. I said I got big dreams and I gotta chase them. I never cared a damn thing about a college major. I only had one need, that was a lot of paper. But see, I never had a thing but a lot of prayers. After school, open mic night, rocking stages. It all started from a demo to a limo, from a limo to a Lambo. And all of this came about in Decatur. I used to dream about these days and the things that I do. I had to get a new life, cause the old just won't do. I used to dream shades of gray, now the sky shining blue. And every day it feels like there's no way I can lose. Cause I knew one day I wouldn't have to wait in line. I knew one day I would get those keys to that new ride. I knew one day I'd be fine, and I knew one day I'd get mine. Yeah, I knew one day, and not just Monday. I remember thinking, man, I need a decent ride, and I'm gonna have to ask my mama for the keys to drive. With my brother riding in an old Cutlass, black and mild lit, whole roof busted. Well, who knows, maybe one day we'll have a little more. We'll finally shop somewhere else besides the corner store. My little sister say she gotta have a pair of Dior's, but right now they'll probably stop us before we hit the door.